I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious nori rolls. First, gather all your ingredients such as nori sheets, perfectly cooked sushi rice, and your favorite fillings. Cooking the rice correctly is crucial. Ensure it's seasoned with rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. Next, prepare your fillings by slicing them into thin, manageable strips, about 1/4 inch thick. This preparation ensures your rolling process will be smooth and your rolls will be neat and easy to eat. Let's get rolling. Now let's assemble your roll. Lay a nori sheet, shiny side down, on your bamboo rolling mat. Gently spread a thin, even layer of sushi rice over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving a 1-inch strip at the top. This unriced section will help seal the roll. Next, arrange your prepared fillings horizontally across the center of the rice. Don't overfill, as this can make rolling difficult and messy. Keep it balanced for a perfect bite. Mastering the roll is key to a beautiful nori roll. Using your bamboo mat, lift the edge closest to you and roll it over the fillings, tucking it in tightly. Apply gentle, even pressure as you continue to roll, forming a firm cylinder. This prevents the roll from falling apart when sliced. Finally, moisten the exposed 1-inch strip of nori with a little water to seal the roll securely. A well-sealed roll holds its shape perfectly. Once your roll is complete, it's time to slice and serve. Use a very sharp, damp knife to cut the roll into 6 to 8 even pieces. Wiping your knife with a damp cloth between each cut prevents the rice from sticking, ensuring clean, precise slices. Arrange your beautiful nori rolls on a platter and serve with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger. For more great tips and deals, check the description below, including a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money. Enjoy your homemade sushi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.